Hello, YouTubers. Glad you were able to stop by. Take a look at this short video I just put out. It's comparing two different types of views through the thermal scope. One is white hot, one is black hot. As you see, I have a picture of two squirrels, and I was wondering what you guys think looks better, easier to see, easier defined, things like that. Even if you have anything, just put a note in the comment. Let me know about it, and I'll start doing the videos, whichever the majority likes. Again, like always, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell for notifications when I put out new videos, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.